Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an intriguing topic that may have caught you off guard. We're exploring the potential sexual benefits of garlic. Is this common kitchen ingredient a hidden aphrodisiac or merely an old wives' tale? Let's find out. Number 1. Improved blood circulation. One of the essential factors for healthy sexual function is good blood circulation. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that promotes blood flow and helps relax blood vessels. Improved circulation can positively impact erectile function and arousal. Number 2. Boosted libido. A healthy libido is crucial for a satisfying sexual experience. Some believe that garlic's ability to improve circulation, combined with its aphrodisiac reputation, may contribute to an increased libido. However, it's important to note that individual responses may vary. Number 3. Enhanced nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide plays a vital role in expanding blood vessels, leading to better blood flow to the genital area. Garlic has been found to stimulate the production of nitric oxide, potentially aiding in sexual performance and satisfaction. Number 4. Antioxidant properties. Garlic is packed with antioxidants, which help combat free radicals in the body. These antioxidants support overall health, including sexual health. By reducing oxidative stress, garlic may indirectly contribute to improved sexual function. Number 5. Hormonal balance. Hormonal balance is essential for both men and women when it comes to sexual health. Some studies suggest that garlic may have a positive impact on hormone levels, potentially supporting healthy sexual function.